The Eye of the Bull sits at the center of a plethora of easily visible stars that have been observed by humans for millennia. My name is Jim Bader, and this week we're talking about the constellation of Taurus. Welcome everyone to UTA Planetarium's weekly night sky. Shortly after the sun has set and when twilight begins, a group of stars that look like a mini dipper, known as the Pleiades, rises in the east. Just beneath you will see a bright orange star that marks the Eye of the Bull, known as Aldebaran. This star is the brightest in a group that resemble a V, making up the head of the bull Taurus. For most populated areas, these two groups of stars are the only visible ones. However, there's more than meets the eye. While Aldebaran denotes the Eye of the Bull, it also features the location of an open cluster, the Hyades. Once again, an open cluster is just a small group of loosely gravitationally bound stars. These objects are fantastic for binocular astronomers. However, if you are using binoculars and looking in this general direction, the Pleiades is easily the best binocular cluster visible in the sky. Also known as the Seven Sisters, Pleiades sits on the back of the bull and is one of the most easily seen deep sky objects in the night sky. It's named for its brightest 7 stars that sit about 470 light years away. The bluish tint of Pleiades signifies that this is a group of hot, young stars. In Japan, this cluster shares a name with a popular brand of car, Subaru. In regards to deep sky objects, Taurus is home to one of the most well-known nebulae. In the year 1054, several Chinese astronomers observed what appeared to be the birth of a new star. Not only was this recorded in China, but elsewhere in the world as well. This new star was an unfamiliar bright spot in the sky that resembled a star. Now, what was thought to be an infant star was, in reality, a dying one. Today, this object is known as Messier 1, or the Crab Nebula. M1 is a supernova remnant. Supernova literally means new star. It may seem counterintuitive that we call the death of a star a new star, but when these were first observed, it was an unfamiliar and new object in the sky. Today, this deep sky object is very difficult to see without a telescope. While supernovae get bright really fast, they also fade from the sky relatively quickly. That's it for this week's episode. Come back next week to learn more about what's up in your backyard sky. Fun fact, the origins of Halloween coincide with the ancient belief that when the Pleiades reached the top of the sky, or culminated, the veil between the living world and the underworld was at its thinnest. Hello everyone, these videos are designed to help you identify and see what's up at night. Please feel free to follow along with the real sky, but if that's not an option, you can download an application similar to the one we use to make this video. I can recommend Stellarium as a great place to start. Stellarium is a free software that's available for both computers and mobile devices. So whether using a laptop, a tablet, or a cell phone, you can still follow along. Look for a link in the description.